How to add Polygon network to MetaMask. In this quick tutorial, I will show the easiest way to add Polygon mainnet to the MetaMask wallet. So you definitely will need MetaMask wallet Chrome extension installed on your browser. And now you can go to the chainlist.org. Make sure that this switch is turned off, otherwise you will see only testnets. Now you need to click on Connect Wallet to connect your MetaMask wallet here. And now in the search networks, you can search for the network you need. In my case, I see Polygon mainnet on the main page. But if you can see it here, you can use this search bar. Let's type Polygon and you will see it here. Now let's click on Add to MetaMask. Here in the MetaMask pop-up, you will see all the details and click on Approve. And right away you can switch to the Polygon network by clicking on the switch network. Now if we check on the MetaMask, we should be switched to the Polygon mainnet. As you can see here, I already have some MATIC tokens that you will need to do any transaction here. If you don't have them, please make sure to deposit some MATIC tokens by copying this MetaMask wallet address and use it as withdrawal from any exchange which supports Polygon network. So make sure to use Polygon network as a destination, so you will get your MATIC tokens in the Polygon mainnet, because this token also exists in Ethereum network. So please make sure you send in your MATIC tokens to the correct network. If you also need to add Ethereum to the Polygon mainnet, please watch my another video tutorial where I will show you how to add Ethereum to Polygon network. You can see the video right now on the screen. Click on it and see you there.